Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Trends. Friends, today I want to introduce you again a best crypto trading exchange where you can earn a lot of profit. Welcome back to my channel. Today video we are exploring Evora exchange and we are going to the Evora exchange, and you can see a digital trading platform offering spot trading, futures, vouchers, VIP rewards, and strong focus on user transparency. The video is for educational purpose only and does not provide financial advice. So let's start with the Evoras and the make it different. So friends, Evora Exchange is a fully licensed and legally registered platform operating under MSB regulation. This means to platform follow the required compliance and standard for opening as a financial service business. So friend, one of the strongest point of the Evora is that the variety of trading products is offered, and you can get access to spot trading, future trading, and more than 300 plus trading pairs are also here. This give both beginners and experienced traders a diverse range of the assets to trade. Another key highlights in the flexible KYC system. If you prefer not to the complete KYC immediately, Evora allows non KYC deposits. So here we go, friend. We'll tell you more about some Evora exchange, about their license, and you can see license and operating regions. Also, they are this is their license number registered in the Colorado, USA, and also you can see their summary about their license here, and this is a registered exchange, and you can see their license here and also their documentations, and you can see financial crimes are also given their certificates, and everything is very fine, and you can find it in their documents, and also you can apply for their cards, and you can see these are the vouchers, and you can easily pay for that. And if we talk about their more about their documents, you can see how to optimize your trading Evora exchange. You can easily find them their documents in here, and trading volumes, also ranking lists, and everything is here. And you can find high frequency there always during the weeks, and is everything is here and recent. And you can also see the Evora launch VIP zone exclusive perks, cashback for influencer. They are giving most benefits, the key benefits, and everything, commissions and bonuses here. You can easily find their documents, and we will give you links all about their project, and everything is here. And these are their social media. You can easily join their X and Telegram and support them, and the project is going to the blast, and you will earn more and more from also you. And here is Evora exchange on the coin market cap, and you can easily find it from coin market cap, and you can see spot trading volume there and their total assets, and it's a fully reliable exchange, and you can easily find it on the coin market cap, friends. Evora also maintains transparency through the proof of the reverse publicly deployed and verified on the coin market cap. This feature shows real-time assets and bankings, and the helps users trust that this is fund for their. So friends, now let's talk about the why many users choose to register on Evora affiliate program with cashback rewards. And also they are giving tier 1 referral, tier 2 and tier 3 referrals rewards, and everything needs to be placed here. This means you can easily cashback rewards based on the trading activity of the user. Your network is great way to grow your earning as your community expands. A VIP zone and exclusive bonuses also here. Evora has dedicated VIP zone where active users can unlock higher trading privilege access, exclusive bonuses, application system receive upgrades benefits depending on their activities and levels. Also there motivates a user to stay consistent and enjoy higher rewards. Evora vouchers VC system, one of the Evora's most unique feature is the Avora's a credit system which introduced green VC and red VC. These vouchers you can easily cashback and vouchers. Avora's vouchers provide flexible trading options. Green VC you can place trading users green VC without using your own capitals, and this especially used for the beginners who want to learn trading safely. And also, friends, these are the benefits, profits and earned from the green VC trades, and may user usable depends on the X platform conditions. And the red VC also, these vouchers after different types of the trading bonuses you can easily, they can support trading fees, margins or other platform activities depending on their vouchers structure. The vouchers are also integrated within the VIP zone and allow users to apply for the special promotion and enjoy enhanced benefits. And so friends, these vouchers also Avora provides tools and features to the help users optimize their trading experience according to their platform. Like you can apply bonuses, vouchers strategically, and also use making and limit orders more control. Exploring feature trading with proper risk management, benefits from the transfer parent proof of the results, and utilize the VIP zone and the cost saving and trading rewards. These tools allow users navigate trading and more efficiently while maintaining safe and transparency. So friend, in the last of the video we'll take you to their app, and you can easily download from their your mobile phone, Android or Macs, and easily you can go through there and enter your account and register. So friend, we'll take you to the their app in the mobile screen and tell you more about the project there. So dear friends, we are on the our mobile screen and you can see their app here, and easily you can download it from your mobile phone. And after that you can see the interface like this. There are all trading pairs in future and their spot trading. You can see their features and spot trading, and they have also markets, and easily you can easily get through their assets and easily go through and deposit from here and withdraw from transfer easily. And this is, they have all good trading pairs here, and you can 300 plus, and you can easily go through their the app and easily go through their spot trading or your future trading, and easily go get benefits from here. And also they are giving bonuses and vouchers, and you can easily get there from more. I hope today video will give bring more benefits for you. If you like our video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.